Hey friends, I want to take a quick moment to share with you one skill that can really help you love well today. To love well is to live well. And I want to help you with one skill. And the skill today is to stop over functioning. Over functioning is when you do for others what they can and should do for themselves. Love doesn't just do, it also does not. And I want to encourage you today, stop over functioning. Stop doing for others what they can do and should do for themselves, because when you do that, you're not loving them well. Because what happens is you're keeping them immature. You will stay immature, they will stay immature, and your relationship will stay immature if you keep over functioning. If you do for your children what they can and do for themselves, if you do for your spouse, if you do for your colleagues, if you do for your friends, just to make yourself feel better, to have some sort of rescue thing. And I've been terrible at this in the past, but I've made a new decision. And this is it. This is my decision. I have made a decision that I am only responsible for my own attitudes and actions and areas of responsibility. I'm responsible for those, and I got to do those. But here's the other decision. I am not responsible nor irritated by the attitudes and actions or failures or feelings or unrealistic expectations of others, and that includes all those around me. I'm not responsible for those, because when I get involved in what other people are responsible for, then I'm over functioning, and then they and me and us stay immature, and that is not loving well, and we will certainly not live well. So I want to encourage you today, consider, where are you over functioning, and stop it. Stop over functioning. Stop doing for others what they can and should do for themselves. Do what you can and should do, what's your responsibility, but stop over functioning. And when you do that, you love well. So remember, to love well is to live well, and to love well is not to over function, to not over function. So God bless you. Have an awesome day. And remember, stop it. Love well.